everyone. Let's start our today's session and our topic is rank correlation. What is rank? Let a group of an individual be arranged in order of merit with respect to some characteristic. The same group would given a different order or rank for different characteristic. So considering the order corresponding to two characteristics, for example, A and B, the correlation between these n pairs of rank is called the rank correlation in the characteristic A and B for that group of individuals. That means what? In the correlation coefficient, what is the meaning of the correlation? Correlation, that means two variables are correlate. Okay, and here correlation, that means two ranks are correlated. Got it? So in this topic, the questions are given always in the rank, always given in the format of rank. Got it? So here Spearman rank correlation coefficient. What is the correlation coefficient? So let x and y be the rank of the ith individual in two characteristic. For example, x and y be the rank of ith individual, two characteristics what? A and B respectively. So where I is equal to 1 comma 2 comma up to n, assuming that no two individuals have the same rank either for x or y. That means what? Two ranks are not the same. Okay, for example, in our class we have 40 students, so every students have different rank. Got it? Each variables x and y tag the values 1 comma 2 up to n. So x bar is equal to y bar is equal to what? N plus 1 divided by 2n, or n plus 1 by 2. So the formula of the rank correlation row, sometimes we are writing capital R. Small r is the correlation coefficient and capital R is the rank correlation coefficient. But in our syllabus we write only the row is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n in the bracket n square minus 1, where n is number of terms. So Spearman rank correlation and is denoted by row summation d or summation x minus y. Here x and y, that means the rank of x and y is equal to 0. The question is 10 participants in a contest are ranked by two judges as follows. That means in a for example musical competition or any other competition, the two judges give the different rank according to 10 participants. So find the rank correlation coefficient. So here the rank given by the first judge and rank given by the second judge, and the total participant is what? 10. So 1, 3, 7, 5, 4, 6, 2, 10, 9 and 8. These are the rank given by the first judge, and these are the rank given by the second judge. So here first we write D is equal to x minus y. So this is the column of x and this is the column of y. These two values are given in the question. So 1 minus 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 plus 2, 7 minus 4, 3, 5 minus 5, 0, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 6 minus 9 minus 3, 2 minus 7 minus 5, 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 10 minus 1, and 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Here the sum of all these values, we get summation d is equal to 0, and we have already seen in our previous See here, summation D is equal to 0. Got it? So again, we find the D square. That means what? Minus 2 whole square equal to 4. 2 whole square equal to 4. 3 whole square 9. 0, 0. Minus 2 square 4. Minus 3 square 9. Minus 5 square 25. 2 square 4. Minus 1 square 1. And 6 square is equal to 36. Got it? So here summation D equal to 0 and summation D square is equal to 96. Okay, and here n is equal to what? 1 to 10. So here n is equal to 10. Put all these values in the formula of the rank correlation coefficient. So rho is equal to, formula is 1 minus 6 summation D square divided by n in the bracket n square minus 1. See the screen carefully. Here the denominator sign is 1 minus. Okay, is equal to 1 minus, put summation D square 6 into 96 divided by, put the value of n is what? 10. So we put 10 square minus 1. That means what? 1 minus 6 into 96 divided by 10 into 99. Here 1 is a separate value. Okay. So here solve this step and we get rho is equal to 0.418. So this is a rank correlation coefficient. The next question is, this is the rank given by 2 judges. Okay, and the next question is ranked by the 3 judges. Okay, so 10 competitors in a musical test were ranked by the 3 judges A, comma B and C in the following order. That means what? Rank by A, rank by B and rank by C using rho, that means rank correlation, and find which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common liking in music. That means what? Which pair of judges? That means the judges is A, B and C. So which pair? For example, A and B or B and C or C and A. So find which pair of judges has the nearest approach to common liking in music. Okay, so in the solution we are given in the 3 column. Got it? Rank by A, rank by B and rank by C. So we consider rank by A X, rank by B Y and rank by C is Z. Okay, so these 3 columns are already given. 8, 1, 6, 5, 10, 3, 2, 4, 9, 7. That means this is the rank by A, given by A judge. Rank by B, that means 9, 3, 5, 8, 4, 7, 10, 2, 1, 6. And the third one is rank by C. So rank is 7, 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10 and 5. Got it? So first we find D1. D1 is equal to, we consider X minus Y. D2 is equal to Y minus Z. And D3 is equal to Z minus X. So first we find the value of D1, D2 and D3. So what is the D1? D1 is equal to X minus Y. That means 8 minus 9 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 6 minus 5, 1, 5 minus 8 minus 3, 10 minus 4 plus 6, 3 minus 7 minus 4, 2 minus 10 minus 8, 4 minus 2 plus 2, 9 minus 1, 8 and 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So again we find the value of D2. D2, that means what? Y minus Z. So what is the column of Y and Z? So here 9 minus 7 plus 2, 3 minus 6 minus 3, 5 minus 4 1, 8 minus 9 minus 1, 4 minus 8 minus 4, 7 minus 1, 6, 10 minus 2, 8, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1 minus 10, 9, and 6 minus 5, 1. So here third one is D3. D3 is equal to Z minus X. So what is the value of Z minus X? So this is our Z column and this is the X column. So 7 minus 8 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 9 minus 5 plus 4, 8 minus 10 minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 10 minus 9, 1, and 5 minus 7 minus 2. So here we get the values of D1, D2 and D3. Next column is we find the value of D1 square, D2 square and D3 square. Okay. So here the column of D1. So we find according to our D1, we find the value of D1 square. So we make other three columns. After that, we sum all these values. So summation D1 is equal to 0, summation D2 is equal to 0, summation D3 is equal to 0, summation D1 square. That means this column, the sum is 200. Summation D2 square, that means this column, 214. And summation D3 square, that means this column is equal to 6060. Okay. So in our question is what? Find which pair of judges has the nearest approach to common liking in music. So first we find the rank correlation x comma y. That means judges of A and B. So the formula is 1 minus 6 summation D1 square divided by n square minus 1 is equal to what? 1 minus 6 into 200, because of summation D square is equal to 200, divided by 10 into 10 square, that means 100 minus 1. So solve this step and we get minus 0.21. Our next value is rank correlation y comma z. Y comma z, that means what? Rank by B and rank by C. So here write again the formula 1 minus 6 summation, but in this step we write D2 square divided by n square minus 1. So put the 1 minus 6 summation D2 square, that means what? 214. So we write here 214 divided by 10 into 100 minus 1. So we get the value of minus 0.296. Got it? And our third rank correlation. What is the next rank correlation? Z comma S, exactly. So Z, that means rank by C, and X, that means rank by A. So we write here the formula 1 minus 6 summation D3 square divided by n square minus 1. So put the values 1 minus 6 summation D3 square, that means 60. So we put 1 minus 6 into 60 divided by 10 into bracket 100 minus 1. So solve this step and we get the value 0.64. Got it? So the final answer is, what is the maximum value? These two values are negative, but this values is positive. So obviously the maximum value is 0.64. So 0.64 according to judges, what? ZX, that means rank by A and rank by C. So here, since row Z comma X is maximum, the pair of judges A and C has the nearest common approach. Got it? This is very easy topic, rank correlation. Okay, so the next question is, always keep in mind, in a rank correlation the questions always depend on rank, not in marks. Okay, so this is a third example. 10 students got the following percentage of marks in mathematics and physics. Okay, read carefully. The 10 students got the following percentage of marks in mathematics and physics, and the marks are given. Maths marks is 8, 36, 98, 25, 75, 82, 92, 62, 65, and 35. And marks in physics, same student, okay, 84, 51, 91, 60, 68, 62, 86, 58, 35, and 49. If in case a student secure in mathematics only 8 marks, okay, out of 100, so student in the physics subject, he secure 84 marks. Okay, that means mathematics is 8 marks and physics is 84 marks. Okay, so first these are the numbers of marks, not in rank. So first we are given in the rank. Got it? So in the highest number is 98. So this is the first rank. Got it? So 98 rank in maths at, so 98 corresponding to rank 1. The second one is what? 92. So this is the second rank. Third one is what? 82. So we give the third rank. According to this process, fourth is 75. So fourth rank. Next is 65. So fifth rank. Next is 62. This is the sixth rank. Next is 36. So seventh rank. Next is 35. Eighth rank. Next is 25. Ninth rank. And last is 8. 10th rank. So these are the this is the 10 students and secure the marks into subjects mathematics and physics. Okay, according to this process, rank in physics. Why? Okay, so the highest marks is 91. So we put here the rank 1. 91, after 91, the second is 86, second lowest. So rank is 2. The third is 84. So we put third rank. The fourth is 68. So here 4. Rank is 62. So here rank is 5. Next is 60. So rank is 6. Next is 58. So rank is 7. Next is 51. So rank is 8. Next is 49. So rank is 9. And last is 35. So here rank is 10. So a rank in mathematics of X and rank in physics of Y. So this is a column of rank according to maths and physics subjects. So next column is, we find D is equal to X minus Y. So here 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 5, minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 6 minus 7, minus 1. 5 minus 10, minus 5. 8 minus 9, minus 1. So here we get the value summation D is equal to 0. So our next column is D square. So 7 square is equal to 49, minus 1 square 1, 0, 0, 3 square 9, 0, 0, minus 2 square 4, 0, 0, minus 1 square 1, minus 5 square 25, minus 1 square 1. So here summation D, that means sum of this column is equal to 0, automatically 0. Okay, and summation D square, this column, sum of this column is 90, 90. So the rank correlation is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation D square upon n square minus 1. So here 1 minus 6 into summation D square is equal to what? 90. So 1 minus 6 into 90 divided by 10 into 100 minus 1. So solve this step and we get the value of 0.455. So this is the rank correlation coefficient. Okay. So our next topic is tied rank. Tie rank. Okay, tie rank, that means what? For example, in 10 for example, in 40 student in our class, and two students have secured the same marks. Two students secure same marks, for example, 90 out of 100. Okay, and the highest marks is 98, and the second highest is 95. So 98 first rank, 95 second rank, and the third highest is 90. But the marks of 90, two students secure 90 marks, but 90 is the third rank. But according to third rank, two students have the same rank. Okay, third rank. But in case two students have the same rank, so this type of question we can say that this is the tied off rank. Got it? So I will continue this topic in our next session.